Welcome to Ohio Valley weather. Here's your detailed morning forecast for today. Good morning. I'm Tempest with your weather update for November 10th, 2025. Let's start off with a look at what's happening across the nation today and beyond. First up, we have a significant cold snap sweeping through much of the eastern United States. A frigid polar air mass is moving in from the north, bringing temperatures well below average to areas as far south as Florida over the next few days. In fact, many regions in the southeast are expecting record low temperatures tonight. Highs today will be 20-30 degrees colder than usual in cities like Atlanta and Birmingham. So, if you're heading out this morning, make sure you bundle up. As this cold front moves across the country, it's also bringing gusty winds and dry conditions to parts of the central Gulf Coast and southern plains. This means there's an elevated risk of wildfires. Red flag warnings are in effect for these areas today and tomorrow, so if you're in those regions, be extra cautious with any open flames or activities that could spark a fire. Now, moving on to the Great Lakes region and into parts of New England and the Appalachian Mountains. Snowfall is expected as this cold air mass moves through, with accumulations of 4-8 inches possible by Wednesday morning. Some areas may see even more accumulation, so if you're traveling today, be sure to give yourself extra time for any delays. Meanwhile, in Florida, despite the overall chill, we might see record-breaking high temperatures on Tuesday due to a brief warming trend before the cold air fully takes over. So while it's going to feel like winter everywhere else, Floridians can expect one last taste of fall warmth. Looking ahead into Thursday and beyond, an atmospheric river will be moving south across California, bringing heavy rain and mountain snows. This weather system could also impact other areas as it moves eastward, but there's still some uncertainty about its exact path and how it might affect regions like the Southwest and Plains states later in the week. Moving on to our extended outlook, we're keeping a close eye on Thursday as an atmospheric river will be making its way down into California. This system could lead to significant rain and mountain snows, with challenging conditions expected for travel in the Golden State. Stay tuned for any updates on flood watches or travel advisories. Over in the Northeast, you can expect continued activity due to a lingering upper trough. This means there will be more lake effect precipitation in upstate New York and northern New England. While temperatures are close to freezing, we'll see some snow accumulation in higher elevations. So if you're planning any outdoor activities this weekend, check your local forecast for the latest on snowfall. In contrast to the Northeast, much warmer than average temperatures are expected as an upper ridge moves into the central U.S., bringing a welcome warmth after recent cooler weather. However, there's some uncertainty about how this system will evolve over the weekend. The atmospheric river, moving through California, could either push quickly eastward or slow down and impact areas further south. Meteorologists are watching closely to see which scenario unfolds as we get closer to those dates. Now let's dive into our Ohio Valley regional forecast. Starting off in Illinois, Chicago is seeing a snowy start this morning with snow expected before 1 p.m. After that, it'll be partly sunny but quite chilly with a high near 35 degrees. The wind will be picking up from the north-northwest at 15 to 20 miles per hour, with some gusts as high as 30 miles per hour. So if you're out there this morning, make sure your scarf is snug. Tonight, it'll be partly cloudy and even colder with a low around 29 degrees. Over in Aurora, Illinois, the morning will bring a chance of snow before 8 a.m., but after that, mostly sunny skies are expected. The high will be near 35 degrees, dropping to about 32 by afternoon. Wind speeds from the north-northwest will be at 10 to 15 miles per hour with gusts up to 35 miles per hour. Tonight, it'll be partly cloudy and a bit warmer with temperatures rising to around 28 overnight. And in Naperville, Illinois, there's a good chance of snow before 10 a.m. this morning once the sun comes out. You can expect mostly sunny skies with a high near 35 degrees, cooling down to about 65 by afternoon. The wind will be from the north-northwest at 10 to 15 miles per hour, gusting up to 35 miles per hour. Tonight, it'll stay partly cloudy and a bit warmer with temperatures rising to around 20 28 overnight. Moving on over to Indiana, Indianapolis is looking at snow before 11 a.m. this morning, followed by partly sunny skies. The high will be near 34 degrees, and the low tonight will be around 23 degrees. Wind speeds from the north-northwest will be between 7 to 13 miles per hour, with gusts up to 23 miles per hour. In Fort Wayne, Indiana, there's a chance of snow showers this morning. It'll be partly sunny, with a high near 32 degrees. The wind will blow from the northwest at 10 to 15 miles per hour, gusting as high as 25 miles per hour. Tonight, you can expect mostly cloudy skies and another chance of snow showers before 4 a.m., with a low around 23 degrees. And in Evansville, Indiana, there's scattered snow showers expected before noon this morning, followed by mostly cloudy skies. The high will be near 39 degrees, cooling down to about 36 by afternoon. Wind speeds from the northwest will be between 10 to 18 miles per hour, with gusts up to 28 miles per hour. Tonight, it'll be mostly clear and a bit colder with a low around 24 degrees. Over in Kentucky, Louisville is seeing a chance of snow showers overnight into this morning, followed by mostly cloudy skies. The high will be near 37 degrees, and the low tonight will be around 26 degrees. Wind speeds from the northwest will be around 10 to 15 miles per hour, with gusts up to 22 miles per hour. In Lexington, Kentucky, there's a chance of snow showers overnight into this morning as well. The high will be near 33 degrees, and the low tonight will be around 24 degrees. Wind speeds from the west will be between 10 to 14 miles per hour, with gusts up to 23 miles per hour. And in Bowling Green, Kentucky, there's a slight chance of snow showers between 11 a.m. and 1 p.m. this morning, followed by partly sunny skies. The high will be near 39 degrees, and the low tonight will be around 27 degrees. Wind speeds from the northwest will be around 10 to 16 miles per hour, with gusts up to 25 miles per hour. In Ohio, Columbus is seeing a chance of snow showers before 2 p.m. this morning, followed by mostly cloudy skies. The high will be near 36 degrees, and the low tonight will be around 25 degrees. Wind speeds from the northwest will be between 9 to 13 miles per hour, with gusts up to 22 miles per hour. In Cleveland, Ohio, snow is likely today with a high near 38 degrees. The wind will blow from the north at 14 to 20 miles per hour, gusting as high as 30 miles per hour. Tonight, it'll be mostly cloudy and colder with a low around 29 degrees. And in Cincinnati, Ohio, there's a chance of snow showers before 3 p.m. this morning, followed by mostly cloudy skies. The high will be near 36 degrees, and the low tonight will be around 23 degrees. Wind speeds from the northwest will be between 10 to 15 miles per hour, with gusts up to 22 miles per hour. Over in Pennsylvania, Pittsburgh is seeing a chance of snow showers overnight into this morning, followed by mostly cloudy skies. The high will be near 39 degrees, and the low tonight will be around 32 degrees. Wind speeds from the northwest will be between 9 to 14 miles per hour, with gusts up to 22 miles per hour. In Philadelphia, Pennsylvania, there's a chance of rain showers overnight into this morning, followed by partly sunny skies. The high will be near 52 degrees, and the low tonight will be around 47 degrees. Wind speeds from the west will be between 5 to 10 miles per hour, with gusts up to 22 miles per hour. And in Allentown, Pennsylvania, there's a chance of rain showers overnight into this morning, followed by mostly cloudy skies. The high will be near 49 degrees, and the low tonight will be around 42 degrees. Wind speeds from the west will be between 5 to 10 miles per hour, with gusts up to 22 miles per hour. In Tennessee, Nashville is seeing a chance of snow showers before noon, followed by mostly cloudy skies. The high will be near 40 degrees, and the low tonight will be around 23 degrees. Wind speeds from the west-northwest will be between 10 to 20 miles per hour, with gusts up to 30 miles per hour. In Memphis, Tennessee, it'll be sunny today with a high near 41 degrees, and the low tonight will be around 29 degrees. The wind will blow from the northwest at 10 to 15 miles per hour, with gusts up to 22 miles per hour. And in Knoxville, Tennessee, see, there's a chance of snow showers after 11 a.m., followed by mostly cloudy skies. The high will be near 34 degrees, and the low tonight will be around 24 degrees. Wind speeds from the west will be. That's your forecast for today. Stay weather aware and have a great day.